Hello, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are you doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today it has been raining since morning, and right now evening time, and right now I am front of camera, try to making English video, and I am try to every single day making video. I'm try to my English journey day by day better my English skills, and it's my goal, and that's why I'm try to my best for speaking English, and I wanna speak English clearly, and that's why I'm try to so hardly uh, practice. I'm try to practically speak English practice, because practically speaking in English practice so important. Every person, uh, everywhere, every places, practically speaking English practice so important, and that's why I'm try to my speak English practice practically try, and inshallah I'm try to every single day, and must be one day inshallah I'm success speaking in English, and it's my heart dream, because I love this. I love this uh, speak English language, and that's why I'm try to my speak English journey try. Last few months I'm try to my English journey, uh, and running my English journey right now, and inshallah I am running my English journey every single day practicing my English journey, and inshallah I will be success one day my English journey, and because I am try to my best for speaking English, and that's why inshallah inshallah I hope one day I'm success in English, speaking in English,